So one of the things that you can do is you can go ahead and then insert out links in slide as well. For example, if I were to go around over here on this slide, I can turn the existing text into a link, or I can go ahead and add in, let's say for example, I'm simply going to go around right here, press enter and type in Wikipedia. So the text color is white, so let's just go ahead and turn it black right here, and I'm going to type in Wikipedia right here just like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and select this out right here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and link it out, turn it into a link. So to do that, I need to go around over here onto the top. As the text is selected, click on it right here, and now you can go ahead and link it to a slideshow page or a web link. So if I were to go around over here and type in, let's say for example, www.wikipedia.org right here and press OK, then what happens is that it will be added in as a link. So I'm just going to go around over here. Seems like I need to type in http://www.wikipedia.org right here, just like this, and you can see that this turns into a link, and this simply links it out. So if I were to click on it, you can actually see that Wikipedia opens it up. So apart from that, you can also go around over here and link, let's say for example, certain content onto other slide as well. So I'm just going to go around over here for that and click on the link right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select out the text that I want to add the link to. Click on the link and then go to slideshow page, and I'm going to move to slide 17, let's say for example. So now if I were to click on it, you got this slide page 17, and as you click on it, it simply moves right there, just like that, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and insert out links in slide inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.